Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Analyzing Windows crash dumps, especially those generated from a blue screen of death, BSOD, can help you troubleshoot and resolve system issues. This tutorial will guide you through the process of checking and analyzing Windows crash dumps. Step 1. Enable crash dumps. Before you can analyze crash dumps, ensure that your system is configured to generate them. 1. Open System Properties. Right-click on this PC or my computer and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings. 2. Configure Startup and Recovery. Under the Advanced tab, click on the Settings button in the Startup and Recovery section. In the System Failure section, ensure that Write an event to the system log and automatically restart are checked. Under Write Debugging Information, choose an option, example Small Memory Dump, 256 KB, or Kernel Memory Dump depending on how much information you need. 3. Dump File Location. The default location for crash dumps is C/Windows/mini dump /for small memory dumps and C/Windows/memory.dmp for kernel memory dumps. Step 2. Reproduce the crash. To analyze a crash, you need to reproduce the BSOD. You can do this by running the system under conditions that you suspect might lead to a crash. Step 3. Locate the crash dump. Once the BSOD occurs, the system will create a dump file. Navigate to the dump file directory. For small memory dumps, C/Windows/mini dump /. For kernel memory dumps, C/Windows/. Step 4. Install debugging tools for Windows. To analyze the crash dumps, you will need the Windows debugging tools. These come with the Windows SDK. 1. Download and install the Windows SDK. Go to the Windows SDK download page, https://developer.microsoft.com/n-a/windows/download/windows-sdk, and download it. During installation, select Debugging Tools for Windows. 2. Locate WinDBG. After installation, you can find WinDBG in the Start menu. Step 5. Analyze the crash dump with WinDBG. 1. Open WinDBG. Launch WinDBG. WinDBG Preview is also available and has a more modern interface. 2. Load the dump file. Click on File-Open Crash Dump and select your dump file, example C/Windows/mini dump /star.dmp. 3. Set the symbol path. To get more informative output, set the symbol path. Type the following command in the command input area. Then load the symbols with. 4. Analyze the dump. Use the analyze v command to get a verbose analysis of the crash. Look for the module_name, image_name, and failure_bucket_id in the output for clues about the cause of the crash. Example WinDBG analysis. Here's a simplified example of what you might see in WinDBG after running Analyze V. Step 6. Investigate further. Once you've identified the problematic driver or module, you can take further steps. 1. Update drivers. Check for updates to the identified drivers. 2. Check for software conflicts. Uninstall any recently installed software that could be causing conflicts. 3. Run Windows updates. Ensure your system is up to date. Conclusion. Analyzing crash dumps can be a daunting task, but it's a valuable skill for troubleshooting BSODs. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to effectively analyze crash dumps and identify potential issues with your Windows system.